Did you want to make speed boost for your game like this? But don't know how to script? You are in the right video. In today's video, we will make an easy script of speed boost. I also already made the pad, so let's just start scripting. As always, I'm gonna use simple event script. Always remember to redo what I do and pause the video to avoid confusion. Okay, here's the code. Script.Parent.Touched connect function hit if game.Players GetPlayerFromCharacter hit.Parent, then hit.Parent.Humanoid.WalkSpeed equal 100. And there is double N over here. It looks pretty simple, but it's very useful. Now I'm gonna try to touch the pad and let's see what happens. Hey yo, chill. It's way more faster than I thought. Maybe I should change the speed a little bit slower. Okay, now it's way more better. So thanks for watching. You can watch my other tutorial videos. It's very simple tutorial. I think it's enough. See you in the next video, pal.